Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the liftgate support on a 2010 GMC Acadia. This video applies to GMC Acadias made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. So first I can show you what's happening. So when I lift the liftgate, it's not staying up, so that means both of the hydraulic supports are pretty much gone. That's a common problem on most of the vehicles, so in this video I will show you how to replace this. You can either get new ones from GMC dealership, or even the better option is just go to the car salvage and get two working ones for maybe 10-20 bucks. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to support this liftgate with something like I did, or have somebody helping you, because this liftgate is actually quite heavy. Okay, so I got two of the used ones from a car salvage. They cost me 20 bucks, 10 bucks each, and I will show you how to remove your non-working ones. Now on this car you actually have two options how you can do this. You can either completely remove the mounting brackets up on the tailgate and down here. They're both held by torque screws, and then once you remove those, then you can separately remove and replace these struts. But I will show you the quicker way, so you can just pretty much remove the struts themselves and install new ones by removing the safety rings. One is here and one is down here. Okay, it's quite sunny outside and I can't really see what I'm recording, but hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So these struts are actually held by this metal safety clip. So what you want to do, there's like a small opening right here. You want to get your small flat screwdriver, just pry it in and wiggle it off like this. You see, just be careful so don't lose it, because you will need to reuse this on the new struts you install. Then just use the pliers to completely remove it and pull it off. Okay, I will show it to you here as well. So this is how they look, and once you remove the top one, there is one right here as well, so next thing you will remove that one. So same story here, flat screwdriver, just like this. Then use the pliers to pull it off. Okay, once you have both of these out, what you want to do, just want to gently pry out this strut. It wasn't too gentle really, but that's the point. And that's how you remove the old one. Okay, and here is the new guy. So to install it, just do everything the opposite way. I will show you on the new strut how actually this metal clip inside works. So once you install it, you can see this one still has the clip, so pretty much this metal clip locks onto this ball, and then there is no way it falls out, and it does that on both sides. If you're wondering how to install those clips back in, they just actually slide from the top and back into the place. I will show you into this new one that I'm installing. So you can prepare it like this, so just slide it in through the top, and then once you install this guy onto this hook, then just pull the metal clip down, and that's how you will lock it in place. So we'll try showing you one more time here. So once you have this metal ring up in the slot, you just want to slide it down through the slot to a lock position. Okay, that's it. And what you might try doing, Just to make sure it sits nicely, you can use your pliers maybe to squeeze it a bit in and make sure it's all nice and tight. Okay, and that's it. That's how you replace the liftgate struts on 2010 GMC Acadia. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.